Hey guys, we are at the world famous Tillamook Cheese Factory in Tillamook, Oregon, which is a town that is close to the Oregon coast. So I have been coming here. This is another place I have been coming in my life over a half a century. It's awesome. They make, in my opinion, the best cheese in the world here, which is Tillamook cheese. They have also branched out to other products like cottage cheese and ice cream and all sorts of stuff. So let's take around, look around the Tillamook Cheese Factory and see what's here. So you have a store down there now, samples up here, all sorts of cheese-related trivia. Information over here, a fake cow that you can see get auto-milked. Boy, that's fun, right? Then they have what they feed the cows over there. And then they have, you can actually look down onto the bottom story here and see them making the cheese. This is one of the last things they do when they actually make it into like the 3-pound loaves. This is where the milk comes in and they cook it. They make it into cheddar, whatever kind of cheese they're going for. Whatever the recipe calls for. So you see how they weigh it? They have the cutter over here. They cut it into the 3-pound blocks from those big giant blocks over there, you see? They cut them, make sure everything's right. You see all the scraps in the buckets. Goes through this machine and it gets wrapped. Then they will seal it shut. And over there on the far side, I don't know if you can see, but it's dark orange. That's after it's been wrapped. Then you'll see it go through the cutter right there. And that's where it gets cut into the smaller hunks. Right here. Comes out, comes in as big chunks. They put it right through the cutter. And it comes out in the smaller box that you find in your grocery store. So I'll show you some of the products they make here besides cheese coming up in this video, but the one thing I left out of the whole cheese making process is the aging process. Sharp cheddar is aged longer than mild cheddar. Colby, it's all aged for different time periods based on what kind of cheese they're making. So they will have a robot go through and bring out the cheese after it's aged for so long, and then they go through the entire cutting process and packaging process. It's cheese in space! Cheese in space! She's famous at the cheese factory. My mom has people coming up asking her for selfies, you know. So we're in the store now for the Tillamook Cheese Factory, and they have everything from beer and ale to beef jerky to milk, of course, to all kinds of cheese. The Farmer's Collection. Ooh. They have... Do you see all this? Are you seeing all this? Coho salmon. I mean, there's from other places, other companies that are near the beach too. That they don't make everything here. Like they don't make smoked salmon, but they have it in the store.
Look at those bird cheese.
Every kind of cheese. Colby Jack, pepper jack, medium cheddar, Monterey Jack, sharp white cheddar, sharp cheddar, extra sharp cheddar, smoked medium cheddar, every kind of cheese, white cheddar, pepper jack. And in the video you just watched that I just showed from upstairs, these are the, it's a 2-pound loaf. I thought it was a 3-pound. It's a 2-pound loaf, just a block. That's how the cheese comes. One of the ways. Tillamook has a lot of ice cream brands. Tillamook ice cream is famous. You can find it all over the country, as well as Tillamook cheese. In fact, some great restaurants you'll go in and it says with Tillamook cheese like it's a, you know, big deal, fancy cheese. And it is. Tillamook cheese is famous around the world. My favorite part of the Tillamook cheese experience, cheese curds. So what are cheese curds? This is the freshest kind of cheese you can pretty much get. It's the way it looks when it comes out of the curds and whey. These are the curds. The whey is the milky stuff that is around the curds, but this is how the cheese comes out after they process it. I believe before they cheddar, they do the cheddaring technique. Oh no, it says cheddar, so it does have cheddar in it. But it will come with cheese curds and then kind of a light milky substance that's kind of salty. And so they take the curds out, and they've been selling them forever, and they're one of the most popular things here, and they are my favorite kind of cheese, is Tillamook cheese curds. A lot of people call it squeaky cheese because when you bite into it, it kind of squeaks. Of course, at the cheese factory, they sell a lot of crackers because, you know, cheese and crackers, they're smart. Also, cheese curd batter mix. So if you come to Tillamook, you're at the cheese factory, and you are flying home as we are, and you cannot take cheese curds on the plane because, no, you can take the cheese curd batter mix, I assume, and make cheese curds. Now, since they're famous now, you have, for those who shred, all of the Tillamook Cheese Factory souvenirs, including a cheese grater. They have jams, they have jellies, they have wines, they have t-shirts, they have, fudge. I know they have saltwater taffy in here somewhere. They have more cowbell t-shirt. That's pretty cool.
Police chocolate.
What is that?
It is a chocolate bar.
Orange cream fudge. The original 1927 s'mores kit. They have everything here. So guys, probably the most popular part of the Tillamook Cheese Factory is not cheese. It's ice cream. That is the line. It's huge. You have to wait and wait and wait in line for ice cream. Not going to do that today. Going to hit the road and go see the beautiful Oregon coast. If you are in Portland, Oregon, or in the Pacific Northwest, the Tillamook Cheese Factory definitely deserves your time and attention. It is a great place. It's a great place to bring the family. Hello. It's a great place to bring the kids. So come to Tillamook and enjoy some cheese. Make sure you like this video and subscribe or follow for more like this.